This rocket will change space travel, not because it looks futuristic, but because it completely redefines how we leave Earth. For decades, rockets were built like disposable machines, used once, destroyed, and rebuilt at enormous cost. Every launch was a rare high-risk event, limited by time, money, and engineering constraints. Space travel felt distant, reserved for governments and massive budgets. But this rocket challenges that entire model by treating spaceflight as something repeatable, reliable, and scalable. Instead of throwing hardware away, it is designed to return land precisely and launch again with minimal refurbishment. That single shift transforms space from an exclusive frontier into an accessible highway. What makes this rocket revolutionary is its focus on full reusability and rapid turnaround. Traditional rockets require months or even years of preparation between launches, but this system is engineered to fly again in days or even hours. By dramatically lowering launch costs, it opens the door to missions that were previously impossible. Satellites can be deployed faster, space stations can be resupplied more frequently, and deep space missions no longer need to wait for perfect conditions. The rocket's powerful engines, advanced heat shielding, and autonomous landing systems work together to make precision spaceflight routine rather than extraordinary. Every successful landing is proof that spaceflight doesn't have to end in destruction to be effective. The impact of this rocket goes far beyond engineering, changes who gets access to space and why we go there in the first place. Lower costs mean universities, startups, and smaller nations can launch their own missions. Scientific experiments that once took decades to approve can now happen in years. Earth observation becomes more detailed, improving climate tracking, disaster response, and global communication. At the same time, the rocket is designed with human spaceflight in mind, capable of carrying large crews and heavy cargo. This makes long-term lunar bases and crewed missions to Mars realistic goals, rather than distant dreams. Space stops being a one-off achievement and starts becoming a continuous human presence. Perhaps the most important change this rocket brings is psychological. When launches happen regularly and landings succeed repeatedly, space travel becomes familiar. The public no longer sees it as a miracle, but as infrastructure like airplanes, ships, or railways once were. That shift in mindset accelerates progress, innovation, and ambition. Engineers can iterate faster, explorers can plan further ahead, and humanity can think beyond survival toward expansion. This rocket isn't just carrying payloads into orbit, it's carrying a new philosophy about our relationship with space. Instead of visiting the cosmos briefly, we are learning how to stay, how to return, and how to build a future beyond Earth. And that is why this rocket will change space travel forever.